Today we're going to create a workout plan. If you head to the coach module, you will see workouts. This gives you a general workout overview. Here you can view your plans that you have previously created, or you can search for them using the search bar, as well as refining the search using the various drop-down menus. Let's go ahead and create a new workout plan. For the sake of the video, we'll create a workout plan called shoulder sessions. Below you can fill in a description, as well as the goal, level, days per week, how often it should repeat, and tags that should be associated with the workout, making it easily searchable. If you would like to add multiple days, you can do so by adding them here or removing them here. You can also rename the day if you would like. Let's go ahead and add an exercise. This brings up the activity search. You can simply search for the activity's specific name, or if you're doing a specific body part workout, such as ourselves, you can select the body part and refine your search down to the activities that will work the muscle group associated with that body part. You can select the different exercises you would like, and they will appear on the side. You can also mark these exercises and duplicate them should you want, or you can simply delete them should you want. Furthermore, you can enter the exercise editor where you can select the amount of reps you'd like, the rest time, as well as whether you'd like it to be repetition-based or time-based. You can also leave a note should you choose to. Once you have added all the exercises onto each day, you can simply select Save. We have a few choices for the visibility, specifically only for myself, everyone of my club, and employees in my club. For the sake of this video, we're going to say everyone of my club. Hit Save, and your new workout should be saved with all your other workout plans. This new workout can be edited on the side. It can also be assigned to a client, and it can also be played.